The biome you're in is the tundra. The location is the Arctic. It's mostly a treeless landscape, often with frozen soil. General biodiversity. Low ecosystem due to harsh environmental conditions, such as cold temperatures, permafrost, and low vegetation. It's called the cold desert. Its conditions, it can reach negative 34 degrees Celsius, and in the summer, it is only 3 to negative 12 degrees Celsius. There's very little vegetation that can live here, and few trees can only make it through the permafrost. It faces many challenges. Thawing permafrost, pollution, industrial development, and the impact of invasive species. And there are many relationships that happened here, such as polar bears and Arctic foxes demonstrate mutualism, with the fox scavenging remains left by the bear, and the bear remains unaffected. This is the bearberry plant. The scientific name of the bearberry plant is the Artostaphylos uva ursi. Its kingdom is Plantae. The phylum is Angiospermae. The class is Dictylodoni. The order is Ericalius, and the family is Ericaceae. The genus is Artostaphylos. The species is Uva ursi. It is normally eaten by polar bears, birds, and other mammals. It is grown in acidic, dry, and sandy soil, typically found in rocky sites, open woods, and sandy hills. And here we have an Arctic fox in his natural habitat. He's going over to eat some bearberries. His kingdom is Animalia. His phylum is Chordata. The class is Mammalia. The order is Carnivora. The family is Canidae. The genus is Vulpes, and the species is Vulpes laguus. It is a carnivorous mammal, but also eats ants. Adaptations. It has a compact body, and it has thick fur and a seasonal color coat that changes so it blends in with its environment. The leftover food gets buried or hid under stones. Bury it. It is a predator and a prey. And where they go to the bathroom, it creates a nutrient-rich hotspot since what they eat. And its scientific name is the Vulpes lagopus. And here we can see the Arctic fox still eating food, when all of the sudden, a wild polar bear is approaching the Arctic fox. And the Arctic fox takes off to his hiding hole. He is hiding. Arctic fox is running away, and the polar bear is chasing him. Oh no. And the Arctic fox gets away. He narrowly escapes into his hiding hole, and the polar bear walks around the outside of his hiding hole, looking for the Arctic fox, but can't seem to find him anywhere. And then eventually, the polar bear gives up, and the Arctic fox successfully escapes. The polar bear is an apex predator. His scientific name is Ursus maritimus. He has several adaptations to help him survive this harsh environment. He has thick fur and blubber for insulation. He has white fur for camouflage, so he can hide and blend in, so it's easy to attack his prey. He has large paws for stability on the thick sheets of ice. He has a keen sense of smell for hunting. He's a carnivorous mammal. His kingdom is Animalia. His phylum is Chordata. His class is Mammalia. His order is Carnivora. Family, Ursidae. Genus Ursus, and species Ursus maritimus. And here we have the walrus. His name is the Odobenus rosmarus. He is not an apex predator, but he is very close. He is hunted by the killer whale, but eats smaller species such as seals. They migrate primarily with ice floats, moving north in the spring, and in the summer they go south. Adaptations the walrus has. They have a thick layer of blubber for insulation, long tusks they use to help move themselves around. They also fight with these tusks. They have sensitive whiskers for foraging and psychological adaptations like slowed heart rate and high myoglobin levels, for diving so they can hold their breath for an extended period of time. So they can hold their breath for an extended period of time underwater. And the polar bear has found another prey. He is going to eat a floating walrus on a chunk of ice. And you can see the polar bear stalking his prey, being stealthy and sneaking up from the side. And the polar bear is about to attack. And the polar bear attacks. The walrus goes flying. And the polar bear, oh my gosh, the polar bear is eating him. He's tearing him to shreds. The polar bear, oh my gosh, the polar bear is feasting. And the polar bear has successfully killed the walrus.